This is the second part of chapter 14 factorization, and in this part we are going to solve exercise 14b. We'll start with the first question. 5xy plus 20x minus 9y minus 36. So here we'll start with pairing up the first two numbers and pairing the last two numbers. So from the first two numbers, as we can see, we can take a 5x common. So taking 5x common, what is left is 5xy divided by 5x is y, and 20x divided by 5x is plus 4. From the last two numbers or the last two terms, we can take minus 9 common. So when we take a minus 9 common, so what is left is y, and 36 divided by minus 9, so minus 36 divided by minus 9 is plus 4. So as we can see that y plus 4 is common, so it is one of the factors, that is y plus 4, and the another factor is 5x minus 9, which is outside the bracket. We will bring it together, and that was also another factor. Question number 4. 3ax minus 6ay minus 8by plus 4bx. So here we will be rearranging the term a little bit just for our convenience. So we'll write 3ax minus 6ay plus 4bx minus 8by. Now we'll take the first two pairs. So 3ax and 6ay, what we can take common is 3a. So if I divide 3ax by 3a, what is remaining is x, minus 6ay divided by 3a is 2y, plus take 4b common, because we have 4bx and 8by, we can take plus 4b common. So what is remaining is, out of 4bx divided by 4b, we have x remaining, and 8by divided by 4b is, so minus 2y. So one of the factor is x minus 2y, another factor is 3a plus 4b. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 7. A square plus ab into a1 plus b cube. So let us multiply this midterm, that is a square plus ab into b is ab square plus b cube. Now taking the first two terms, we can take a common out of this. So what is remaining is a plus b. Again, from the last two terms, we can take a b square common. So what is remaining is a plus b. So one of the term is a plus b, another term is a plus b square. Question number 10. Y square minus y into 2b plus a plus 2ab. So y square multiplying the midterm, that is minus y into 2b is 2by, minus plus minus a into y is ay, plus 2ab. So from the first two terms, we can take a y common. So what is left is y. So y square divided by y is y, minus 2by divided by y is 2b. Taking the last two terms, we can take minus a common. So if we take a minus a common, what is left is y. So plus minus, it will become minus inside, and 2ab divided by a is 2b, or we can take it like this, plus 2ab divided by minus a is minus 2b. So one of the factor is y minus 2b, another factor is y minus a. Question number 12. X minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 4x. So x minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square, we are just rearranging this. So we have written minus 4x first and plus 4. Again, we'll write it x minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. Take minus 4 common. So what is remaining is x minus 1. So out of the whole, all these numbers, we can take x minus 1 common. So what is remaining in the bracket is x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1, minus x minus 1 whole square divided by x minus 1. So x minus 1 is remaining, minus 4 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So minus 4 is left. So the next step we'll write x minus 1, and here 1 minus, now remove this bracket. So 1 minus x minus minus plus 1 minus 4. So we can solve the numericals inside the bracket. So we'll write in the next step x minus 1 into 2 minus 4 minus x. So in the next step it will become x minus 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 minus x. So we can take a minus outside the bracket, and this term will become x plus 2 into x minus 1. Moving on to question number 14. AB into c square plus d square minus a square cd minus b square cd. So we'll multiply the first term, that is ab into cd square plus d square. So ab into c square is ab square plus ab into d square is abd square minus a square cd minus b square cd. So here we have rearranged the terms a bit. So in the next step we have written it as ab square minus a square cd plus abd square minus b square cd. So how can we write it now? From the first two terms we can take an ac common. So what is remaining is bc minus ad. From the last two terms we can take plus bd common. So what is left is ad minus bc. So here we have written ac into bc minus ad. Here, since the terms are not matching, so actually what happened is this AD minus BC, and here we have BC minus AD. So we have to change the sign. So what we did is we have taken a minus common out here. So if I'm writing minus BD, what is happening is this BC is becoming plus inside the bracket, and this AD is becoming minus. So now both of these terms are equal. So one of the term or one of the factor is BC minus AD, and another factor is AC minus BD. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 17. AX plus BY whole square plus BX minus AY whole square. Let us first apply the formula of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square over here. So ax whole square means a square x square plus by whole square is b square y square plus 2ab, that is 2ax by. In the second one, we will be using a minus b whole square. So bx whole square is b square x square plus ay whole square is a square y square minus 2ab, that is 2bx ay. Now see, these two terms are same. One is in plus and another is in minus. So we can cancel it out. So what is remaining is a square x square plus we have brought this over here. So b square x square plus b square y square plus a square y square. So out of this we can take x square common. What is remaining is a square plus b square. From the third and the fourth term we can take y square common. What is remaining inside is b square plus a square. Now whether we write a plus b or b plus a, it's the same thing. So one of the factor is a square plus b square and another factor is x square plus y square. Question number 18. A into a plus b minus c minus bc. So if I multiply this, so a into a is a square plus a into b is ab minus a into c is ac minus bc. So from the first two terms we can take an a common. So what is left is a square divided by a is a plus ab divided by a is b. From the last two terms we can take minus c common. So ac divided by c is a is remaining, minus bc divided by minus c is plus b. So one of the factor is a plus b, another factor is a minus c. Moving on to question number 20. 3 3x to the power 5 minus 6x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 3 plus 4x square plus x minus 2. So from the first two numbers or first two terms, we can take out something common. So we can take, see here we have x to the power 5, here we have x to the power 4. So we can take an x common, and the lowest degree of x is 4. So we can take 3x to the power 4 as common. Okay, because 3 and 6 both are multiples of 3. So we can take 3x to the power 4 as common, and what is remaining is x from the first term. If I divide 3x to the power 5 divided by 3x to the power 4, x will be remaining minus 6x to the power 4 divided by 3x to the power 4 is 2. From the third and the fourth terms, we can take minus 2x square common. So minus 2x square common, what is left is x, and from the fourth term, that is 4x square divided by minus 2x square, we have minus 2 left. From the last two terms, we can take plus 1 common, and there will be x minus 2. Now in all the three terms, we can see that x minus 2 is common. So one of the factor is x minus 2, and the other factor is 3x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. Question number 22. A square b square plus b square plus a square plus 1. Again, we'll be taking the first two terms. That is, from the first two terms, we can take a b square common. What is remaining is a square plus 1. From the last two terms, we can take plus 1 common, as nothing is common in general. So we can take plus 1 common, and what is remaining is a square plus 1. So one of the terms, one of the factor is a square plus 1, and another factor is b square plus 1. That's the end of the video. Thank you.